Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking goals and preparing resources. First, state 1 to 3 measurable outcomes so you know what success looks like. This drives every decision. Once done, assemble your data sources, local files, APIs, sensors, and note formats and access keys. Next, create a reproducible environment, Python 3. 11 in a virtualenv required packages and at least 8 GB RAM. Add a GPU if you'll train models. Make sure permissions and storage are ready before moving forward. You now build and iterate the intelligence layer. Begin with preprocessing. Clean, normalize, and split data 70/20/10 for train, validation, test. Add augmentation where appropriate. Then pick a model, start with a simple baseline or a lightweight transformer to compare. Benchmark accuracy, latency, and cost. During training, use early stopping, track metrics, and version models so you can roll back. Once a candidate performs well, run robustness checks and adversarial tests to reveal weaknesses before deployment. You finish by deploying reliably and planning for failure. Containerize the model, stage in QA, run integration tests, and promote via CI/CD. Make sure logging and metrics are active. Once live, monitor latency, throughput, error rate, and data drift so you detect regressions early. If issues arise, roll back to the previous model, switch to a cached fallback, and investigate logs. While troubleshooting, validate inputs and data pipelines because most failures are upstream. Finally, schedule.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.